Hello students, in this video I am going to solve another two important questions on the topic of vectors. The question number 6, this is question number 6, and this question says vector A is equal to 2 minus 3 and vector B is equal to 5 minus 1. We have to find out 3A minus 2B. 3A minus 2B. Yes, this is equal to 3. The vector A 2 minus 3 minus 2 multiplied by the vector B, that is 5 minus 1. This is equal to 3 2 6, 3 3 9, minus 9, minus 2 5 10, and 2 1 2, that is minus 2. This is equal to 6 minus 10 minus 4, and minus minus plus minus 9 plus 2, because algebraically minus minus becomes plus, plus 2, minus 4 plus minus minus, that is 9 minus 2 7. Again algebraically we put the sign of the greater value, that is minus, greater value is 9. Yes, so this is the answer. And this is question number 7. The question number 7 says vector P is equal to 8 minus 5 and Q is equal to minus 4 5. We have to find out P minus Q, vector P minus Q, P minus Q equal to a part. Here vector P 8 minus 5 minus here vector Q minus 4 5. This is equal to 8 minus, again minus minus plus 8 plus 4 minus 5 minus 5. We just do here plus or minus x axis with the x and y axis with the y axis. We add or subtract the same terms. Now this is to make this further clear. Yes, we have this as x-axis, so we add or subtract x-axis with x-axis, and this is y-axis, this is y term in other words, so we add or subtract y term in with the y term. Yes, here what we have done. So 8 plus 4 12, 8 plus 4 12, minus minus becomes plus, that is 10, but the sign is negative sign. Yes, this is P vector P minus Q. Now we have to find out the magnitude of this vector. So whenever we are going to find out the magnitude of a vector, we take the under root square of x term and square of y term. Here the x, this is the x axis and this is the y axis, that is x square means 12 square plus y square means square of minus 10, whole square of minus 10. 12 square 144, 10 square 100. This is equal to under root 244. Yes, 244 units. For magnitude we must have some unit. So this is equal to under root 244 units. We must write this word units. Yes. In the next video we will further solve some advanced questions on the topic of vector. Thank you.